Hey guys, for this video, I'm going to show you how to set up OBS for screen recording in Mac. So after you've opened OBS, your application will show something like this. And under Sources, you want to click on the plus icon. Then you're going to click on Screen Capture. Then you can also rename this if you want. Then just click on OK. Then over at Method, you can choose to capture which you want to record. It could be your display, which means your whole display on your monitor. It could also be a window capture if you only want to record a specific window or a specific application. And you will see some options over here at the bottom. You can choose to show your cursor or not. And you can also choose to hide OBS from capture if you want. So just click on those options. If you want to enable them, then just click on OK. And after that, you will see your screen over here at the top. Now you're just going to resize the screen and adjust it so that it will be shown when you're recording. So you just want to fit your screen here to the frame like so. And once you're satisfied with that, you can already start recording. Just click on start recording over here. And that's it. Thanks for watching.